Welcome to my Search Engine Optimization Mastery course. So with this course, you'll be able to create a passive income stream by not only mastering SEO, but using it to start a business and in your own websites. So a lot of clients find me after they've found outdated info or been penalized or just simply can't rank their website. So avoid that headache and just start with my course now, and you're going to learn my up-to-date strategies that will keep you ranked in Google search no matter what their next search algorithm update is. The info you'll be learning is from a Google Partner certified team. So we are literally the first line of contact from Google with any updates, with any algorithm changes. And we're living and breathing this keyword research every day. So in this course, you'll be able to watch step by step as we walk you through beginner to advanced search engine optimization skills. So the two main takeaways from this course are A, how to master SEO, and then B, how to start that SEO consultant business or just profit from SEO with your own websites. Finally, we'll keep you updated constantly on how to build these high quality links and increase user engagement. So learn the safe and proper way to use search engine optimization in order to get your sites ranked and organically clicked. Join our course now.